Hello everyone, we are going to learn about the microscope parts.
Okay, Aarav, can you tell me what is this?
Eyepiece
What is the use of eyepiece?
for seeing,
Seeing what?
the micros,
Very good. What is this?
for, for adjustment,
This is for?
uh, focusing,
Okay, look here now. What is this?
stage adjustment,
Okay, very good. What is this?
stage,
Okay, can you tell me what is this?
eye, nose piece,
Okay, and what is this here?
objective,
What is the use of objective?
for or so zooming,
Okay, very good. What is this here?
for the clip for holding,
Okay, clip for holding what? Holding the?
slice,
Okay, so what is this? This is a?
slide.
Okay, can you tell me what is this?
Light,
Okay, what is this?
base,
What is this?
handle,
What is the use of handle?
for holding,
Okay, and what is this?
light torch,
Okay, this is a
like power button.
power button. That's great. Okay, let me on it. Yes. So that's Arav's microscope.